Available now at Amazon.com. The Clearwater Card Collection presents Happy Holidays, a seasonal greeting by Peggy Trusty. Music starts the season. Festive tones ease our care. The sound of copper bells ringing lighten as they fill the air. Celebrations that follow close behind have children bursting with delight. So much laughter, so many smiles. Days are full of sweetness and light. 1,000 thoughts flood our minds from many winters long ago. Stories and games and fairy tales blanket our days like new snow. We smell pies still warm and turkey, cookies all colors, shapes, and kinds, sugary yams and corn pudding, berries on tarts and tasty wines. We buy perfect gifts to wrap and hide, making sure that no one is missed. Then light candles and pour sweet drinks, kindle fires to snuggle and kiss. Beneath the razzle and the dazzle, beyond the sparkles and the noise, there's a quiet sort of peace the heart is ready to enjoy. Now is the perfect time and space to push our troubles aside and just enjoy good friendships where love is the only guide. Our joys, not without sorrows, missed loved ones who've passed from view, wrapping ourselves in recollections, let the memories smile back at you. 'Tis the season to make new smiles, with the past and present sprinkled in. Add a dash of kindness to gift a blessing, and the warmth of love swells within. It's the time of year when you're wanting every day to be like this. Hot cocoa in your coffee cup, a very special kind of bliss. Imagine yourself a blessing, not just celebrating a day. Become love, joy, kindness, and peace. Be the holiday on display. It's time to pause and consider. As we raise our glass in cheer, let us resolve to be better, a blessing for the brand new year. Happy holidays to you and yours. For more information on this and other greeting cards from the Clearwater Card Collection, please go to clearwatercardcollection.com.